Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing this 15-inch touch portable monitor. So you can buy this one online. It's not a very specific brand that it has. So let me just unbox it and I'm just going to give it a test. So I haven't used one of these before, but I'm planning to use this for work so that I can actually test some of our systems. So that's the email address for support, monitor-vip.com. So it comes in this little pouch. Let's see what's in this box. So let's open up the monitor. It comes in this sleeve. It's got the cover already. It's just made out of synthetic leather. Okay, let's see if I can stand this up. No, doesn't look like you fold this part here. Okay, so it looks like you can remove this. It's got a magnet at the top. Okay, so now I think I've figured it out. So gotta basically place the bottom of the monitor to these little grooves at the bottom. So let me show you. Just like this. So it's only got two angles that you can change it to. The monitor itself is very light, and so it comes with all these different cables in this box. So you've got this little power adapter, little cloth to clean, HDMI cable, so it's mini HDMI to HDMI. Got USB-C to USB-C. Also got here USB-A to USB-C. So those are the different types of cables. I'm just going to connect it to a Lenovo laptop and see whether it works. So technically it should work with a USB-C to USB-C. Let's give that a try. So I'm just going to plug in USB-C. Okay, the port is here. You can see on the side that there's a couple of ports. Okay, so USB-C at the bottom here on the left hand side. And this one here has got volume button and power button. Okay, so with the Lenovo, it looks like there's no video coming out. So just looking at the instructions, you have to connect a HDMI cable. So if you can't get the video coming out through the USB-C, plug in a HDMI cable. Also, the touchscreen is working, so that's perfect. So it works. You can also try on different devices. I tried it on a Surface, and USB-C to USB-C worked without a HDMI cable.